Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change camera ratio on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, here in camera, you can see on the top the ratio. Okay, the ratio is set into 3/4. Okay, to change it, you'll have to do is tap the ratio icon. And you can see the option, you can change into 9/16, 1/1, or you can change into full. So okay guys, I decide to change into 9/16 for the YouTube setting. Okay, this is the setting of YouTube 9/16, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the ratio of the camera on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, so if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.